All right, if you've been thinking about a new construction home, but you're like, I can't afford that. Well, I've got news for you. Today, we are out here in Goshen, Ohio with a new neighborhood by Fischer Homes. So whether you're a second-time home buyer or a first-time home buyer, this neighborhood is all about affordability. Let's get into it. Kaylin, welcome back to the channel.
Thanks for having me.
Where are we at today? We
are over here in Goshen. We're in our new Pebble Grove model that just opened.
Just opened up. Tell us about this area. Tell us about this community.
Pebble Grove and Goshen, I guess, is an up-and-coming neighborhood. We're about 10-15 minutes away from Milford, Loveland. It's definitely the outskirts is the place to be.
Yep.
Huge affordability changes over here. You can build a single-family home like the home that we're in right now for in the low 300s. Even we have our Paired Patio homes for mid 200s. Can't beat that.
All about affordability. We're a little bit further northeast, I would say. There's been a lot of development in Batavia. Homes in Loveland are pretty expensive, even Milford.
Sure.
So we're kind of beyond that and pushing out. So when you get out here, you feel the farmland. You feel like you're on the edge, but there's a lot of growth happening on this side of the city. Would you agree with that?
I would agree with that. If you think about those main streamlined cities here in Cincinnati, there's not a lot of land anymore. So once you get to the outskirts, it's definitely the place to be, and there's some great equity that can be built over here, for sure.
So that demand continues for new homes, and builders are looking for where can we actually build. Sure. Goshen is one of those areas, and right now the advantage for you, the buyer, is it's affordable. So tell us a little bit about the homes that are available here, and I know you mentioned the price points a little bit, but let's go deeper into that.
So we are building two different types of single family homes as of now. Our designer collection and our Maple Street, which if you've been following our channel for a while, or Eric's videos, you'll know. Our channel.
She got a raise, Okay.
But if you've been following for a while, you know those two different types of home collections offer a lot. The Maple Street collection is a little bit lower in price. So in here, low 300s, like I mentioned, there's slab and basement sites. And then our designers where options are endless. Our home that we're in right now is the Wyatt, so one of our designer collection homes. Now, if you're looking for something a little different, we have our Paired Patio homes over here. Low maintenance, ranch style. Those are starting in the mid 200s. So
those are a super popular option, and the low maintenance means you don't have to mow the grass, you don't have to do the snow removal. If you're traveling a lot, you don't need to take care of the home, and a lot of people are looking at those, even first-time home buyers, right?
Yes, exactly.
It's not just necessarily what you might think of someone who's maybe aging in place and wants the low maintenance. It's people who are like, no, I don't want to mow the grass, but I also would like a home under $300,000.
Exactly.
And the Paired Patio home is a great fit for that.
Exactly. Now, Pebble Grove itself, the way that the community is laid out is we're walking distance from the schools, which is amazing. You don't find that a lot in new development, I feel like, across Cincinnati. So it's a great spot to be for those families that want that close proximity. So we're also 4 minutes away from Kroger, so you can't beat that proximity. If you need something quick for dinner, there you go. And the development will just keep growing.
All right, quick reminder, if you are thinking about new construction, make sure you reach out to a real estate agent first before you fill out a form online or go into that model home. That ensures that the builder is gonna pay for our commission, and you're gonna get expert guidance working alongside both us and the builder. And at Team Sztanyo, we have helped dozens of clients build new construction homes. We're kind of new construction experts at this point, so be sure to reach out to us. Our team would love to help you out. So you're close to a lot of things here. Like you said, you can walk to the schools, you're 4 minutes from Kroger, the community is developing. This is a great chance to get into an affordable community that has all the amenities you need. And then in terms of location in Cincinnati, I was just looking it up, you're like 20 minutes from Kings Island, you're 25 minutes the other way to East Fork Lake State Park, and so it's a pretty cool location in terms of Cincinnati as a whole. Probably to get downtown from here, I'm guessing you are like 35 minutes, something like that. Yeah, so pretty cool overall, a lot of amenities. Then you've also got sidewalks and ponds and trees here in the community.
All around, for sure.
All right, Kaylin, where are we at in terms of development and phases here in this neighborhood?
Yeah, so we are about to have our grand opening for this model home, which means the first phase of the community. Not only is it the first phase, but introductory pricing, which is always great for a new community.
So if you want to get in early because you're getting extra discounts on that introductory, because they want to get it rolling, right? They want to have momentum. They want other people around to be like, ooh, look what's going on in that neighborhood.
Exactly. Now, since our model's built, that also means there are some other homes in the neighborhood already built and homeowners already moving in. So it's a great time all around, whether you're getting started or if you want some quick move-in homes. We already got those started too.
In fact, Team Sztanyo has actually sold a home in this neighborhood. It's right across the street and they're closing in just a couple of weeks. So they got in early, they got a great lot. And that's another reason why you want to kind of get in early is you get your choice of the best lots in the neighborhood. So whether you want a cul-de-sac or whether you want those private wooded views, exactly, you get to choose if you're early on. All right guys, walked over here and wanted to show you this house that is almost finishing up for my clients. Super excited. We walked through it about a week or so ago with the builder, just seeing the final touches here. They live down the street. They're selling their 3-bedroom home. They're kind of upgrading to this beautiful new 4-bedroom house with a basement. They've got an amazing private wooded lot here. They picked a really good gem. This house rebuilt in like Lakota schools is around 600, but here it's in the low to mid 400s. So you see the amazing savings that you get if you're willing to come out here to Goshen. If you live around here like my clients did, they're like, heck yeah, they're getting the best lot here in the neighborhood or a really good one here on the front end. So wanted to show you this house as it's wrapping up. They're so excited to close and we're excited for them. So one thing I wanted to show you guys, this is an Avery. It's like a 5-level floor plan. So you can choose whether to have a basement or not with this floor plan. This home has an additional unfinished basement down below, but even if you bought this home with a slab, you would have this kind of lower rec room available to you right here, which is great. If you choose to buy a basement, you know, it's great for resale value. You get that extra space, but it's gonna cost probably between 30 or 40K more to have the basement. You have that option here in Pebble Grove, which is great. You can either do the basement or you can save the money and buy the house on the slab. Now, if you're ready to explore new construction, whether that's here in Goshen, Ohio, or anywhere around the Cincinnati or Northern Kentucky, my team is ready to help you out. Please give us a call today and we can get started. And be sure to subscribe to this channel if this video was helpful for you and join the Sztanyo Clan. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.